Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Narcotic Drugs or Psychotropic Substance Act. Narcotic legally means any preparation or form of cocaine, cannabis, and opium. Psychotropic substance is any substance which alters the mind. Rules: Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act says cultivation, manufacturing, processing, trading, and supply of drugs is illegal. Narcotics should be cultivated or manufactured only under license. The entire cultivation should be sold only to the government. Punishment: minimum first offense is punishable for 10 years of imprisonment and 1 lakh fine. Maximum first offense can be punishable maximum of 20 years of imprisonment and 2 lakhs of fine. Subsequent uh, subsequent offenses are punishable for imprisonment up to 30 years. Possessing of how much narcotic is an offense? Cocaine of 125 milligrams, heroin of 250 milligrams, cheras and hashish of 5 grams, opium of 5 grams, and ganja of 500 gram possession is an offense.
thank you and thank you for watching.